Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in starting your own hair business without spending tons of money on inventory, I do have a low-cost method for you. And even if you want to learn how to brand your hair business or hair boutique, then keep watching. So there are a few ways you can start your hair business, like wholesale, which is obviously expensive. This is Alibaba. They do have branding, but of course, if you have to purchase every length, texture, we all know that could add up, okay? But this is just a way if you wanted to buy hair from Alibaba. And then if you find your own vendor on Alibaba, you can just chat with them to see if they drop ship. And they do have customization, as you can see right here. But if you're drop shipping with Alibaba, you'll have to get their contact information, like their WhatsApp. It can be a little bit difficult, but it is possible. So with using Alibaba, they do have options where you can drop ship with them. You just have to chat with the vendor. As you can see, you can order samples. I don't think you can just order off the back, like straight up just buy the wholesale. I think you have to get like a approved. It's a little bit difficult on Alibaba versus AliExpress. But this is just me showing you guys some of the customization. Of course, you want to check out the reviews with any vendor you use. With Alibaba, try to use verified vendors. They'll have like a blue check mark, and always look at the pictures. So of course, that is one way you can start your hair business, is using Alibaba. And the low-cost method you can start away is all you need is Shopify, DSCR, and AliExpress. So this is Shopify dashboard. You would then type in this app, DSCR. I have plenty of tutorials on my channel showing you how to sync hair vendors from AliExpress to DSCR. It's pretty easy. You would just paste the AliExpress link right there in that URL right there, and you'll click OK. And then this is a few hair wigs, products, all that we sync for my clients. So this is just a couple of the wigs if you want to see what type of wigs we do sync. So all the vendors that we use are verified, and we usually use the pictures. We change the title around, and let me show you guys the profits. So it'll tell you how much a item costs on DSCR, and it'll even mark up the price for you so you can make a profit, so you can drop ship. So this is me showing you guys like the profit and how much you can make. As you can see, the profit margin. So we can sync the vendor for you as well if you want to check out our pre-built dropshipping boutiques. These are some of the photos that come from the vendor that we sync with the store, and pretty much it goes straight to your store once we sync from AliExpress to DSCR. It will then go to Shopify. So as you can see, what's in stock, thousands of items. Now with branding, you can brand with dropshipping. It's best to order your own branding. So this is just like a mock-up sample that I asked from a vendor from Alibaba, I believe. So pretty much you will either use AliExpress or Alibaba. Type in satin bags, whatever type of branding you want for your hair store. If you're drop shipping, once you get a sale, instead of shipping the item directly to your customer, you would ship the item and order it directly to yourself. You'll add the hair with your branding, like obviously have your branding already on deck, like these bags, you know, and then you'll package the hair and then ship it to your customer. Because a lot of people ask, well, I can't brand with drop shipping. You can, you just have to think a little bit harder. It may be a little bit difficult, but hey, once you make that sale, you can use that money to, order the hair and then ship it to yourself and then brand it with your custom packaging. So this is like how you can brand one-on-one with, your dropshipping hair boutique. So this is a few more items or options that they do have on Alibaba. I don't think they have that many options like this on AliExpress, more on Alibaba, or even if you just order from Amazon and get your branding colors, so that way you can brand. This is also some more branding ideas. But yeah, if you go to Alibaba and if you were to type in hair branding or hair custom packaging, which I'm going to show you right here, a lot of hair stuff will come up. Of course, you can't drop ship with that. You have to order it. Or you can chat with the vendor on Alibaba and say, hey, do you have branding? Can you brand it if I get a sale? Which can be a little bit difficult, but if you want to like brand yourself, definitely have your own branding packaging. And if you're ready to start your hair business, click the link in the description. Check out our pre-built hair boutique stores that already come synced with inventory, so you can already start selling and start your hair business with a low-cost method as soon as possible. So link in the description. Thanks for watching.